You look fast. You look like you're moving
Yeah, you're
fast.
going fast, dude.
Yeah.
What's up, Brokehippie Garage? What's up, Brokehippie Garage? Check this 456 merch out. Gee! My other company. But we got this bike right here. So, trying to place all the wiring right. Trying to just get it organized and see where I'm gonna have everything. Ignition module, rectifier, got the fuse box, fuse right here, a little ground wire right here, I ground it under here. What else? We got the starter relay. I don't know where to put that yet, but we'll see. Just trying to organize everything. So, got the coils right here. They're supposed to go underneath here. So, on that side too. So, got a super long wire loom. Why it's so long. But, headlights, turn signals, all that crap. Got the headlight somewhat mounted like right here. So, I don't know. It's gonna look pretty good. So we'll see. What's up, y'all? Brokehippie Garage. On for the electrical right here. Too crazy on this bike, like I said. I'm just trying to get it going. See how it goes. Chill. Come on. Come on. We'll do the same. At least this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It goes. Take all these back out. Found some bolts. Oh shit. Just gonna tack these on where I made those little white. And at night. Sorry, neighbors. Oh, whoops. That's why I killed the... Oh no. Man. I think I tripped the power and must have... Did. That's what I get for buying a $20 Harbor. Is my drill and this little paint stripper. Mind you, I have all Harbor Freight tools, mostly. Might just have to just work, you piece of junk. Do some other little dots just to be sure what I'm... That. So, all right. You got. Yep. Covered that hole up. Not bad. Little wire brush. Clean the webs. Actually use a smaller bolt right there. Real quick. Woo. Pretty hot. Nice and hot. But see that? Quick little tacks. One more little tack on this side. Choo! Turn off this little bitch. Let's see. Super thin material. Oh man, that weld on that bolt. Shit. Phew. Stinks. Trying to do a mount for this on the bike. Still messing with the wiring. So gonna build little brackets right there on each side. Weld a little bracket right here. Show you. Cut this. So happens these two holes line up with the seat, so gonna mount it to this, weld it to the frame, see how it does. Choo. Go with something like that. These holes line up pretty good on the outside. So just gonna weld that like that. Line this up. About to weld the other side up. About right there. In there. See how she looks.
Still loading. Huh? Still loading. Yeah, I want the battery box to the frame. The swing them loaded these.
Yeah.
Brackets for the seat.
Now you got the nicer roller here.
Yeah, it looks a little better now, huh?
Well, you can tell. Look at this here. Right there, in there,
Yeah.
in the battery box, you see the penetration of the inside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you look in there. So that's
Yeah,
good.
these came out pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, not like with the electric.
Right.
You know. Yeah. Look at that.
Try that.
Mm-hmm. You're tubing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to.
Uh-huh.
It's getting there. Yeah, I was gonna paint it, but then I was like, oh,
The bracket, you mean?
Put it, huh?
The bracket or what?
Yeah.
You can do is always touch up later, just like over it, you know?
Yeah, that's what I was
No one
thinking.
will see that there.
Yeah. Is it now working in the
Yeah,
garage?
yeah, I'm taking the engine, putting it together. Man, it's just,
Alright.
there's so many little things that have to be fitting together, and now I couldn't fucking see where a washer goes, so I'll
Yeah.
get tomorrow,
Like,
the next day, not again. I don't want to.
about to wrap it up for the night. It's getting late. I don't want to wake up the neighbors. You can hear a frog fart out here. So. What are these? Tabs on. What is that battery box on down there? Sorted out my wiring too a little more. Gonna cut a lot of this crap out. Got this fuse box. Gonna probably use that. Tells you if one of them's out, which is cool. So, yep. Next, I'm gonna start on this wiring. Chop a bunch of this crap out. Chop out that. Keeping that starter relay. Just random little shit. Some of these. Not using the old ignition either. Do a whole different one. So, see how it goes. Cheers.